Okay, when we set up our class, this is how we'll typically do it. We'll put our constructors at the top, our methods below that, and our instance variables, also called fields, down there at the bottom. So for the constructors, we have two of them. And so we're just going to write them just like I did in the comments down here. So it's public bank account with no parentheses. And then we put in there. And we'll fill this in later. Okay. The next one, public bank account. And this one takes parameters. So this one is a double called initial balance. And again, we'll fill this in later. Okay? These are called stubs. They're just like we're outlining the program in code. So it'll all be functional, it just doesn't do anything. Like, I mean, it compiles, everything's legal, and there's no errors, but it doesn't do any jobs. So we'll fill in the details later. Okay, those are the constructors. For the methods, we have three of them. And so the first one is public void withdraw. And regular methods should start with lowercase letters. Constructors have to have the same name as the class, so even though they're methods, they start with the capital letter of the class. Okay, public void withdraw, double amount. I'm put in a curly brace set, fill this in later. And then deposit looks very similar. Public void deposit, double amount. Don't be confused by the word double. It doesn't mean we're doubling anything. It's just the data type. It's a double precision floating point integer, essentially, so it keeps track of numbers with decimal places. And the third one has a return type, so it's public, but it is double. It returns a double value. And this one is named get balance, and it has an empty set of parentheses. Okay, so there's our methods. And then finally we have our private instance variable, private double balance. And we just create it like that. So that is, that's kind of the outlined stubbed version of the class. Two constructors, three methods, and one instance variable, which looks just like our diagram here, except that we put the instance variable as the very last item. Okay, name as bank account, instance variable, double balance, and then here's your methods and constructors.